Hello and welcome to 3D Print Passion. Today I like to show you a very nice new feature inside a Cura plugin with new custom support features. Have fun watching the video. This plugin you can find in the marketplace area. The name of the plugin is Cylindric Support. This one you need to install. I also will use here in this video the plugin calibration shapes. If you like to use it, you can also install it. The installations will take in place after restarting Cura. After the installation, you can find these functions in extensions, part for calibration, and add support test. This support test is really not nice to print because the overhang is directly upside on another part of the object. If we do here a normal support structure, what I will test now, we can see that this support structure will be printed on the surface of the lower part. This will occur in not very beautiful surfaces, something we like to avoid. And here the new support structures came in place. To use them, we disable first support structures inside Cura. Then we select the object, choose Cylindric Support and Freeform. To support now this structure, I will use the bridge function. Beautiful! This will support my overhang very well. I can now move this structure, the support structure, a little bit to the left to have a better orientation and to have a better fitting to this object. Let's see another function, what is new inside that plugin. For example, if we have, like here, an object which only needs a very small support structure, we can choose the arc function. We only check now where is the hardest to print overhang and click to this area. Like we see here, the overhang will be supported now and the print should work exactly like that. Also very hard to print is the statue from Michelangelo, David. We see here that the overhang is mainly on the elbow, which can't be printed like that. With a tree support, maybe it could be possible, but the tree support sometimes makes strange calculations, and so in my test it was not possible to use it. So I use also here the bridge function and scale it on the y-axis until the bridge is outside my bottom layers. So that looks already very nice. I will move now this support a little bit to the right and scale it a little bit bigger on the x-axis. Perfect, that looks good, and the elbow should be supported very fine now. Let's have a look to other elements. Also a critical element are these fingers. And for this one we will use again the arc element. I will place that arc element on all fingers to make sure that they will be supported very well. Yeah, that's it. We see here now that my arc support is going a little bit inside to the bottom layer, but that one, I think we can live with it and take it away after the print very easily. Also, the chin here is something which should be supported. But with arc support, I will have the base of the arc support on my bottom layer, and the bridge is still too big for me to have here another one. So what my wish is on that point is that we have something like the arc support, but much more bent on that point to make sure that the base of the support will be not placed at the bottom of my object. Something a little bit like we have it here for the bridge. Maybe in future, hopefully, I would be happy about it, this function will be integrated into that plugin. This will help us a lot to increase our support functionalities and to have greater printouts with less material. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, thanks to give me a thumb up. If you like to see more from me, click on the subscribe button and afterwards on the bell. Thank you also if you like to leave me a comment. Happy printing, see you next time, bye.